We just pulled up to the meet, y'all. Got ourselves a Ford Focus. Got the WRX. My look like a C300 Mercedes, Charger, Volkswagen. Got a nice old clips. A7RII with the nice old Giovanni's. Ooh, Giovanni's. This little Infinity GTI. Okay, pulling up with the old school Superman. This yours, big dog?
Yeah, no. Put it in the
Ooh. Let's see what we got. This you, big dog? Oh, snag. Got the old school Super. This thing lit, man. Me. Okay, that boy say he banging right now. Got the Lamborghini Urus. Like a 570. That's this one McLaren 570. Got the Beamer. Got the 1SX. Jaguar S-Type. This thing here, boy, I ain't gonna lie, this sucker hard. This bad boy hard, man. I definitely cop one of these. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Or that Beamer right here with the BBS old school. You're taking it old school, you dig? Pulling over the Audis. That's a nice Porsche 911 with the Audi back. Ooh, let's get close to this. here. Let's see what that boy running on, man. Good old nice, good cars, man. Good old car. So yeah. Trucks at you.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, that was dope.
Oh, thank you.
Them hoes RBGs, or they just that color?
What's that?
They change colors or nah?
Oh, no, it's solid.
Oh, them hoes hard, man.
Dude,
Yeah, she got the dope lights.
today, it was like, hey, so which one? Yeah, I went half in on it for like a year ago. Has anybody ever seen that? Yeah.
Nice Miatas right here for the ladies.
That circle was whack. I do. I'd buy this thing. I'd buy this thing off. No doubt. 10 grand? Fuck no. 10. I'm sorry. Although it is an M edition. So, I like me.
So we are here at the next meet, man. Everybody's still showing up. We got the Camrys pulling up, man. I ain't gonna lie, bruh. I ain't gonna lie.
This side.
I'm starting to like these Camrys, bruh. I'm starting to like these Camrys. They really doing their things with these Camrys, bro. Real talk. Especially dog with the lights over here.
I ran red lights to get here,
Cars, Texas just pulled up. Just pulled up with the GTR. Thugging, you know what I'm saying? Camry pulling in. Hey, that thing sound good, boy. They Camry heavy up here, boy. It's gang with the Camrys. You dig? Oh yeah, man, they steady coming in, you dig? Yes, sir, they still steady coming in. Boy, it's gonna be a litty night. I believe it's gonna be a litty night, man. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a litty night. Oh yeah. Boy, they coming in. Look at all this, man. They filling up all the spots, dog. They got some going back that way, you know what I'm saying? Woo. Oh yeah, got some more 5.0s pulled up, man. This thing is about to be lit. Man, that one talking right there, man. That black one talking, bruh. The other Camry, but they pulling deep with the Camrys, bro. Real talk, man. Oh, they got more. Let's see what we got over here, man. Got a 370Z over there. Got a Lancer right over here. Y'all look at this, man.
Oh, look at this alright.
Hey, man, this thing lit, huh?
It's alright.
Boy, they done fill this hoe up. Hey, it's barely past 9. They already filled this hoe up, man. Y'all see what's going down? They already filling this hoe up, bro.
I see the wells from here.
What? It sound good too. Oh yeah, that thing do sound good than the motherfucker, boy. Oh yeah, man. They out here, man. They is out here. Got some 392. Uh-oh. Oh, they cutting up, boy. They is cutting up. Man, they all pulling in, bruh. Boy, this hoe is lit. All that, bro, they all the way back. They all the way back over there. My boy. Hey, what you got? What you got? Them boys is lit, man. Real talk.
That's dope. And he be gaining traction. Like it's just yeah. And he hit me. He watched all my videos. And he ended up following.
Yeah, that snack crackle pop, man. Okay. Hey, what's up, baby? Hey, what's good? This boy is knocking. Boy, playing with that boy. That boy is knocking. Asshole. I know.
Yeah, work me to
That thing.
Hey, there's a boy right there.
Yup.
There's a boy right there.
Yup. You already know we got the YouTube going on.
Hey, man, let me tell y'all something real quick, man. New rap coming in 2 to 3 weeks from right now. Full body
Y'all
rap.
hear him, man.
No more camo shit. Y'all gonna see a brand new rap from this shit. So best believe enjoy this shit right now, but 2 to 3 weeks from right now, it's gonna be a whole new drop top stand coming up. Stay tuned, man. Follow my shit. You know what I'm saying?
Follow him, drops our thing.
I already know what it is, man. Shit.
That shit fire. That shit fire.
I guess, well, somebody was running from the cops and they done brought the shop over here. Oh! Hey! Let's go! Hey!
Watch out!
Ooh, man, we is lit live. Hey, he's coming back! Uh-oh! Oh, shit, move back! Oh, he's coming back! Yo! Oh! Yo! Hey! Go this way! Go! Oh shit! Alright y'all, so that's the end of the video, man. If you're new to the channel, man, go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you click on post notifications so you don't miss none of my videos going forward, man. So without further ado, man, check out this B-roll that I'm about to post right about now.
DJ Quality.